Hey, what's up, guys? This is your boy Kwesi Walters from Website GM, and in this video I'm going to tell you 4 things that you could do with a website. Okay, so the first thing that you can do with a website is create a blog, a personal blog, which is a website that you could share your interest to the world about anything that you may like. Okay, so as simple as that, a blog is the first thing that you could do with a website. The second thing that you could do is create a niche website that is specific. Like example, if you like dogs, you could create everything about a specific dog, and that is basically a niche website. And then you can monetize this website and you could earn money online from that specific dog niche. So the second thing is you can create a niche website. The third thing is, if you have interest in selling things online, you can create an e-commerce website, and this is similar to Amazon and other e-commerce websites. The only difference is that you can create your own products, or you can place your own products on your own website and you can sell your own stuff online, making a higher profit margin than if you have to sell on Amazon yourself. The fourth thing is, if you have an existing business offline, you can create your own website for this offline business and put that offline business, brick and mortar business, you can put it online. So that's as simple as it is. Okay guys, let's do a recap. What can we do with a website? 1, we can create a personal blog and we can share your interest with the world. 2, you can create a niche website and share your interest on a specific topic or idea. 3, you can create an e-commerce website where you can sell your own product or service. 4, you can create a website for your offline / big brick and mortar business. Okay, so note you can monetize all the 4 types of websites above and make money from them. So thank you, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button below this video. Please do, because it helps make the channel grow. Thank you, and see you in the next video. Bye.